Smart Bid Tutorial. Smart Bid is a new automated bidding tool for advertisers. It is a new pricing model that will help you optimize costs in order to maximize your campaign profitability. Smart Bid revolves around getting the right price to achieve your desired cost per action, CPA, or return on ad spend, ROAS. With Smart Bid, you won't need to check your campaign performance constantly, since the system will manage the campaign based on the parameters you have selected. In this video tutorial, we will explain how to set up a Smart Bid campaign. Please note, Smart Bid requires some time in order to perform the appropriate optimizations. Therefore, please make sure that your budget is big enough when running Smart Bid campaigns. We do not recommend using Smart Bid if you are running campaigns on a tight budget or if you expect to see immediate results. View Smart Bid as an investment in a campaign. How to enable Smart Bid. Smart Bid appears as an available pricing model under the Pricing and Limits section within Campaign Setup. When selected, you will be prompted to choose and fill several fields. Bid strategy, this determines the value that the system will use as a reference to determine your bid. You have two options available: target CPA, cost per action, and target ROAS, return on ad spend. If you choose CPA, you need to determine the price you are willing to pay for each conversion on the campaign, whereas if you choose ROAS, you set the share of profit you expect to gain from this traffic. In addition, if you choose target ROAS, you will see the resulting return on investment below. As we mentioned earlier, Smart Bid is an investment for medium long-term results, so we recommend you to start with a small target, even if the ROI is negative, so as to give the system enough time to calculate the profitability of the traffic. Initial CPM CPC. Smart Bid won't set up a campaign bid right away. First, it needs to run as a normal campaign in order to analyze the traffic. For this analysis, your campaign will need to run with an initial Smart CPM or CPC bid of your choice. The system will use this value until a specific segment of traffic in your campaign reaches data significance. Data significance is what happens when the system has received enough information to determine the likelihood of conversion from a specific traffic segment in the campaign. Data significance starts checking from the most specific area of measurement, category, device, browser, etc., to the most generic, zone ID. This means that, if there is no significant data for a very specific setting, it will revert to the most generic in order to determine profitability. Conversion goal. This lets you select the goal in your account that will be used for the Smart Bid calculation. If you have no goals in the account, you will be prompted to create one. Note that, if you selected target ROAS as your bid strategy, you won't be able to select goals with no value, since the goal needs to pass a value in order to calculate the real ad spend. Finally, we have bid optimization, which determines how conservative your campaign bidding will be. A maximize volume strategy will focus on trying to get as many conversions as possible, which gives the campaign more flexibility in testing the available segments. With this optimization algorithm, the campaign will continue receiving traffic from segments that haven't reached data significance. A maximize CPA/ROAS strategy, on the other hand, will restrict the campaign targeting to only those zones which have generated conversions. Note that the maximize CPA/ROAS optimization strategy won't work unless your campaign has generated at least 30 conversions, otherwise the system won't have enough data to determine the appropriate bid for the campaign. This is why the default option, and also the recommended one, is maximize volume. You will see a message in your campaign settings when maximize CPA/ROAS is ready to run. Once you have selected the setup and you have added all your preferences for your Smart Bid campaign, hit save. As explained, your campaign will initially start bidding using the initial CPM/CPC bid of your choice, and then it will start changing the bid based on the optimization of your choice, once it has gathered enough data about the traffic segments your campaign has received. If there have been conversions, then the bid will be fine-tuned to reach your desired bid strategy. A few last comments. 1. Note that Smart Bid optimizations are made at a campaign level, meaning that you cannot reuse this information in a different campaign. 2. Bidder is disabled in Smart Bid campaigns to avoid conflicts in the algorithm. Thanks for watching this video.